99% of all cryptos are virtually worthless and not worth the time of serious people to look at, okay? And that's just an indicator, 16 million different cryptocurrencies. And most people don't know that that's true, right? Every second, the Bitcoin network is doing 600 billion hashes, trying to find the answer to a puzzle, right? Earlier videos really didn't talk about how much power Bitcoin is using today. It's about the same as Finland and 25 million European households. And so finally, this is an incredible story. The world's most expensive pizza. In 2010, somebody spent 10,000 Bitcoin on a pizza. I mentioned the pound, £1 sterling. At one point in time, £1 sterling meant a pound of sterling silver. What other asset class grows 260% year on year? And you'll find in later modules there's fidelity reports and other things that talk about Bitcoin as a very interesting and unique asset class. But looking at this, the market went from January 2017, 18 billion to $3 trillion in 4 years. And see and view different countries and how many nodes they support. So for example, in the US, there are currently 2,200 odd. I don't know about you. I get fascinated just watching this. I could sit and watch this all day long. But look at the network. Arranging blocks, connecting blocks, agreeing which blocks happen in what order, and doing that in real time. And